Qaf with full mouth. وفاق.
Learn Quran and Islamic education with us. The characteristics of our institution are very good. We teach Quran with proper tajweed. We teach each one according to his status. We teach with totally unique and different method. Our educated students do not forget the Quran. We assure you, if your child complete with us, he will fully capable like Qari. Our students complete quickly, complete focus and attention, speak well to explain, polite attitude, totally unique method, correct, amazing, beneficial pronounce. Everyone can learn Quran from us. Be assured that our institution will be useful for you. Punctuality is the first priority. We do not waste our students' time. Our teachers are qualified. Hafiz, Qari, Alim, Mufti. Courses: Nurani Qaida, Namaz, Quran, Duas, Tafsir, Hadith, Dars-e Nisami. Connects Muhammad Hasnain 778 @gmail.com.